Hey guys, Rachel here, and I'm about to show you a SOLAIRE. It's a 2025, and I'm super excited, like always, because it has technically 3 bedrooms, and just a great floor plan. So I'm excited to show you, but as always, let me know what you guys think. Also, I do these for fun. I love doing it, but I also work at the Waco office. So if you have any information, or if you need any information, or if you just, call, text, email, ask for Rachel, I'm here to help. Would love to help you guys out. Now, let's go from the outside in, and you guys let me know. So this is the Palomino SOLAIRE. It is a 2025. The model is 3150TBSS. It's got a nice long slide on this side. It is fiberglass. It has 2 doors and a nice long awning. And of course, it's going to have the backup camera prep. And then it does have power stabilizers as well. Let's see what this is. You've got some extra storage and outlet in here. Very nice. Got a little light as well. Let's take a look inside. Okay. So like I said, I really like this unit. I like the fact that, well, you're about to see, but there are like 3 bedrooms. So let's start from that side. When you first walk in, you have the first bedroom. And the bed is nice and wide, guys. It is so wide. You've got steps right up to it. Got some drawers in here. I really like it. You got a little light over there. You can hang up your TV right there, little cubby or shelf, but nice and wide and long. And then it does have your barn door style right here. And then on the other side, it is another little room. Nice big bed. It has the same thing. You've got some drawers, side table. You've got some area to hang up some clothes. It also has a light and an area to hang up your TV. Little windows in here. I absolutely love this. I love how they did it. And then this one, of course, has the door as well. And then on the living room kitchen area, we've got a nice big couch. Beautiful windows all in the back. And then across from that, you've got your entertainment, your fireplace, sound bar, storage, and it does have the, let's see if I can unlock it real quick. Or maybe it might be magnet. It is! And then you have this nice big pantry right here. Nice and big. I love it. Plenty of stuff can go in here. It's just a lot of space. You've got table and chairs over here, which is really great. And you can move that around. And then you have your kitchen with a nice big fridge. Plenty of room. The freezer on the bottom. You got your 3-burner, your oven, and your microwave. And then tons of storage above and below. Nice big counter space. Beautiful window. Love it. I'm not sure what this is back here. What is that? Oh, a cutting board. Very nice. I like when they provide a little bit of extra stuff. You've got a nice big sink over here as well, and then it goes into the bathroom. So this one's a nice big bathroom. Look at that. You got a seat in here, skylight, and then of course you've got an area for to sit down, not bump your knees. And then you do have a washer dryer prep right there, which is great. Some storage, counter space next to your sink. Very nice. Again, lots of space. I like how they use the room in here. And then you do have your master bedroom. and this is where the other door is. You've got nice long tables with cubbies that actually opens up, shelving, outlets, chargers, and then storage above and on the side. And you can walk on both sides easily. So plenty of space, and of course there's going to be space underneath the bed more than likely as well. But guys, let me know what you think of this unit. I love the idea of having these, like, quote, 3 bedrooms, because you know, the kids can have their own space. I love that. But I really want to know what you guys think. So call, text, email, come see me, ask for Rachel. Would love to help you out. All right, guys, until next time.